In this presentation, we will learn hexadecimal subtraction. I have two examples. In first example, we have to subtract 5321 from 9654. 4 minus 1 is 3. We don't have to take borrow from the next position because 4 is greater than 1. 5 is greater than 2 and 5 minus 2 is 3 again. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 5 is 4. So 4333 is the answer for our first example, and in this example there is no borrow involved. But in second example we have to deal with borrow. B is 11, C is 12, so B is less than C and we have to take borrow from the next position. So let's take borrow. Borrow is 16. B is 11, so we have 16 plus 11 equals to 27. C is 12, so 27 minus 12 is 15, and 15 we represent by F. So difference is equal to F. As this position has given the borrow, we have 3 here, and I will magnify this why we have 16 as the borrow. Weight of this position is 16 raised to power 0. So we have B multiplied by 16 raised to power 0. Weight of this position is 16 raised to power 1. So we have 4 multiplied by 16 raised to power 1. And when this 4 gives 1 as borrow, we have 3 here and 1 is given as borrow. So we have 1 multiplied by 16 raised to power 1, not 16 raised to power 0, because this 4 is giving the borrow, and weight of this position is 16 raised to power 1. And we can write 16 raised to power 1 as 16 multiplied by 16 raised to power 0. So we have 16 and B as the coefficients, and we can add them. 16 plus B is 27, and then we can subtract C from it. So this is why we have borrow equal to 16, and in octal number system borrow is equal to 8, in decimal number system borrow is equal to 10, and in binary number system borrow is equal to 2. So this is the most important part of hexadecimal subtraction, and now we can easily perform the subtraction. 3 minus 7, we again have to take borrow. 16 is the borrow. 16 plus 3 is 19, and 19 minus 7 is equal to 12, and we represent 12 by C. So we have C here. As 7 has given the borrow, we have 6. 6 minus 8, again we have to take borrow because 6 is smaller than 8. 16 is the borrow. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 minus 8 is equal to 14, and we represent 14 by E. So we have E here. This 9 has given the borrow, so we have 8 left. 8 minus 5 is 3. So answer is 3ECF. So this is our answer. Now we will move to homework problem. In first homework problem, you don't have to subtract anything, but you have to tell me why we represent 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, and 15 as F. Why we use A, B, C, D, E, F as the representation in hexadecimal number system. This is question number 1. In second question, you have to perform hexadecimal subtraction. F, A, B minus A, E, F. And in third question, again you have to perform hexadecimal subtraction. 7, 7, 8, 8, D, E, F. So this is all for this presentation. Once you have your answers, post it in comment section.